Welcome back to Rite Style TV. Today we're going to do a Planters Punch recipe consisting of 8 ounces rum, light or dark. Today I'm going to use dark rum. Quarter cup lime juice, quarter cup grenadine syrup, half cup sugar, quarter cup orange juice, quarter cup pineapple juice. So this Planters Punch is like a cousin to the Jamaican Rum Punch, but it doesn't have the kick as the Jamaican Rum Punch. So in a few I'll be mixing all of these ingredients together. These are the only ingredients. Okay, in a suitable container, and this container is a pitcher, you're gonna put all the ingredients and mix them together. Eight ounces dark rum, quarter cup lime juice, quarter cup grenadine syrup, half a cup of sugar, quarter cup orange juice, and finally quarter cup pineapple juice. Mix them together until the sugar is dissolved. Got a lovely color like setting of the sun. As soon as the sugar is dissolved, I'll be putting some in a glass with ice, and I'll be surely enjoying that. You can enjoy some too. Very simple recipe. Okay, the sugar is dissolved. I'll be putting some in a glass very soon. Okay, got my glass with some crushed ice. I'll be filling up my glass, and I'm going to surely enjoy this Planters Punch. Here's my glass. I love the punch. Okay. What a lovely color. Wow. I'll be certainly enjoying this one. Okay. I'll be putting the main ingredient alongside my glass and a lime. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. This Planters Punch can be truly enjoyed this weekend, even this afternoon if you choose. Thanks for viewing my videos.